dresses off the shoulder. Check out these beautiful off-the-shoulder wedding dresses. Off-the-shoulder wedding dresses, long-awaited items by lots of modern girls. Always, there will be some items that never go out from people's eyeballs. They seem like carrying evergreen allure and always trigger big impacts. When various new tides are accepted and then weeded out, the appeal on those eternally appealing articles becomes more obvious. Now, all of these make sense on off-the-shoulder wedding dresses, which are considered to be long-awaited items by a really large amount of fashion-conscious girls. In today's fashion clothing stage, so many pretty or unique dresses are found. But, however, trends and people's appreciation for beauty change. Off-the-shoulder wedding gowns seem like standing at the original place, charming the crowd by understated and overwhelmed appeal. Then, is there something fresh discovered by talented artists in 2011 spring? Do off-the-shoulder bridal wears still lead the biggest trend? Yes, affirmative answers are given to the above questions. When lots of contemporary fashion aficionados tend to embrace understated elegance, the spontaneous romance oozing out from the off-the-shoulder wedding dresses definitely draws more attention. Since it's a must to frequently redefine the understanding for Vogue, designers have never stopped exploiting their minds to make off-the-shoulder neckline pattern continue to steal the limelight. Nowadays, colors that seem rather natural yet elegant are used on lots of fashion dresses. On off-the-shoulder bridal wears, light blue, lilac, and aqua are still new fashion darlings. Never have they been made to overdo gorgeousness, even though they do seem elegant and incredibly romantic. Female properties are often wonderfully accentuated by smooth or figure-flattering lines. Every breath the bride takes becomes more charming when fresh touches are added onto her appearance. Nowadays, it's so easy to find a classy wedding gown that is exquisitely made. It's totally believed a chic and comfortable off-the-shoulder wedding dress will make you incredibly aristocratic. Comparing with empire waist or one shoulder, which are also hot neckline patterns on modern bridal wears, off-the-shoulder is loved by more people also because it's adding sexy spices to the wearer's appearance. Just as the name implies, off-the-shoulder wedding dresses carry cap sleeves that are hanging on the shoulder lines. Seeming more mature than empire waist and more formal than single shoulder, off-the-shoulder wedding dresses absolutely better fit either a magnificent church wedding or a romantic beach nuptial. On those chic styles, femininity is usually perfectly emphasized without overdoing sexuality. When dolce and elegant looks become temperately sexy, so many girls feel fascinated.